On paper, the use of aluminum engines looks like a perfect evolution. But beneath that polished surface lies a different story, a story of hidden weaknesses, trade-offs, and failures that can turn a high-tech machine into a costly proposition. Going back in time, the engines were built like vaults, heavy, solid, and nearly indestructible. Then, something unexpected happened. That old-school strength was quietly replaced by something lighter, faster, and far more complicated. Aluminum stepped in and changed everything. Today, most modern engines rely on aluminum blocks and components. They run cooler, accelerate quicker, and help vehicles meet strict efficiency demands. All that said, there is a harsh reality to it which most of us are unaware of. In this breakdown today, we are going to spend time talking about why aluminum engines took over in the first place, what made manufacturers embrace the shining metal, and what actually happens when things go wrong. As we get down to it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives like this. Time to get started. Number 1. The shift from iron giants to lightweight speed. For decades, cast iron engines dominated the road. They were heavy, incredibly durable, and capable of handling extreme conditions without breaking a sweat. These engines could tolerate heat, stress, and even neglect far better than most modern designs. So why move away from something so reliable? The answer lies in efficiency. Regulations began tightening, fuel economy became critical, and weight reduction turned into a priority. Aluminum offered a solution that iron simply could not match. An aluminum engine block is significantly lighter than its iron counterpart. That weight reduction improves acceleration, handling, and fuel efficiency all at once. Vehicles become more responsive, more agile, and more economical. The shift was not just about performance, it was about survival in a changing industry. Manufacturers needed to adapt, and aluminum became the material that allowed them to do it. Number 2. Heat management became the game changer. One of aluminum's biggest advantages is its ability to conduct heat. Compared to iron, aluminum transfers heat much faster, allowing engines to cool more efficiently. This characteristic became essential as engines grew more compact and powerful. Turbocharging and higher compression ratios generate more heat, and managing that heat is critical to preventing damage. With aluminum, heat dissipates quickly, reducing the risk of overheating under normal conditions. This allows engineers to push engines harder while maintaining acceptable operating temperatures. However, this advantage comes with a hidden cost. Aluminum's ability to expand and contract under heat is far greater than iron. That constant movement introduces stress over time, especially when combined with extreme temperature changes. Number 3. Precision engineering took center stage. Aluminum engines require tighter tolerances and more precise engineering. Unlike iron, which can handle imperfections more easily, aluminum demands accuracy. Modern manufacturing techniques have made this possible. Computer-controlled machining, advanced coatings, and improved designs allow aluminum engines to perform reliably under most conditions. But this precision creates a double-edged sword. When everything is perfectly aligned, the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. When something goes slightly off, problems can escalate quickly. Small deviations that would be harmless in an iron engine can lead to significant issues in an aluminum one. This makes maintenance and proper operation more critical than ever. Number 4. Strength versus weight trade-off. Aluminum is not as strong as iron. To compensate, engineers use design strategies such as thicker sections, reinforcement, and special alloys. In many cases, aluminum engines include iron liners or coatings to provide durability where it matters most. These hybrid designs aim to combine the best of both materials. Despite these efforts, the fundamental difference remains. Aluminum sacrifices some durability for the sake of weight and efficiency. Under normal conditions, this trade-off works well. Under extreme conditions, it can become a weakness. High stress, heavy loads, and prolonged use can push aluminum components closer to their limits than iron ever would. When aluminum engines actually fail. Failures in aluminum engines often follow a different pattern compared to older designs. Instead of gradual wear, issues can appear suddenly and escalate quickly. Overheating is one of the most common triggers. Because aluminum expands more than iron, excessive heat can cause warping. Once the engine block or cylinder head warps, sealing surfaces are compromised. This can lead to blown head gaskets, coolant leaks, and loss of compression. In severe cases, the engine may become unusable. Another failure point involves cracking. Aluminum is more prone to cracking under stress, especially if it has been weakened by repeated heat cycles or poor maintenance. These failures are not always predictable. An engine that seems perfectly fine can develop serious issues if conditions push it beyond its limits. The cost of failure is higher than ever. When an aluminum engine fails, the repair process is often more complex and expensive. Unlike iron blocks, which can sometimes be machined or repaired, aluminum blocks are less forgiving. Warped or cracked components may require complete replacement rather than repair. This increases costs significantly and can make older vehicles less economical to fix. In many cases, the entire engine assembly must be replaced. This turns what could have been a manageable repair into a major financial burden. The combination of precision engineering and material limitations makes aluminum engines less tolerant of mistakes and more costly when things go wrong. Maintenance matters more than ever. Proper maintenance plays a critical role in the longevity of aluminum engines. Cooling systems must function perfectly, oil changes must be done on time, and any signs of trouble must be addressed quickly. Ignoring small issues can lead to major problems. A minor coolant leak or a slight overheating event can have long-term consequences. This level of sensitivity requires a more proactive approach to ownership. Regular checks and timely repairs are essential to keeping the engine in good condition. Skipping maintenance is no longer a minor risk. It is a direct path to potential failure. Driving habits can make or break it. How a vehicle is driven has a significant impact on an aluminum engine's lifespan. Aggressive driving, heavy loads, and constant high temperatures can accelerate wear and increase the risk of failure. Allowing the engine to warm up properly, avoiding excessive strain, and maintaining consistent driving habits can help reduce stress on the components. These engines are designed for efficiency and performance, but they are not invincible. Treating them with care can make a noticeable difference in their durability. Progress with a price. By now, you would know why aluminum engines took over and what really happens when they fail. In fact, understanding the trade-offs is more important than understanding why the metal made its way to the hood. And if you're aware, you would be more careful, maintenance would be a priority for you. Cutting down on needless engine and upkeep costs would always be on your mind. In short, you would be in possession of your vehicle for long. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. If this deep dive helped uncover the truth behind aluminum engines, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share thoughts in the comments section.